Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change text color in Draw.io. Changing text color helps highlight important information in your diagram. First, click on the text element you want to modify and double-click it to select. On the right-hand panel, look for the editing options and click on the Text tab to open the text formatting section. The Text tab may open by default when you select the text you want to modify. Click on the Font Color option. You can now customize the color. Choose from the preset color options, use the slider, or enter your own hex code. After selecting your color, click on Apply and the text color will change. And that's it. We selected the text, used the font color tools, and changed the color as required in Draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.